Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering both devices and opening the Hryfine app on your iPhone. This is where the pairing handshake happens. Make sure Bluetooth and location permissions are granted so the phone can discover the watch, and keep the devices within 1-2 meters. On the watch, enable pair mode or show the QR pairing code. This tells the watch to broadcast. Once done, tap Add Device in the app. This triggers discovery and moves you to the next step. You now select the Hryfine entry that appears in the app list. The phone and watch display a numeric code so you can confirm they match. This avoids wrong device pairing. If the watch shows a QR code, scan it in the app or enter the code manually. The app will request several permissions, so accept notifications and health access to enable calls and fitness sync. Once accepted, let the devices exchange settings and wait for the app to report a successful connection. You finish by syncing watch faces, contacts, and health data. In the Hryfine app, choose which notifications to forward and set Auto Connect so the watch reconnects automatically. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for persistent sync. If something goes wrong, try rebooting the watch and iPhone, then forget Hryfine in iPhone Bluetooth settings and repeat pairing. This clears stale caches. If you still fail, reset the watch to factory and attempt pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.